ELI Language Games. Play and learn. This is a series of video tutorials on ELI games. In this video, we're going to present a game focused on culture and Klille. Each game is available in 5 languages: English, French, German, Spanish and Italian. The games have different characteristics and can be divided into 4 categories: dominoes, bingos, card games, board games. Board game. Roundtrip of the USA is a culture board game designed for students at elementary and pre-intermediate level. It can be played by individuals or by teams at 2 different levels, A2 and B1. Goals of the game are both language-related and cultural. Roundtrip of the USA helps students to expand their vocabulary, review grammar and language structures, learn about American geography and culture, learn some idiomatic expressions and riddles in English. The box contains a playing board, a map of the USA containing 125 stops. Some stops show photos or give instructions. 132 playing cards, divided into 6 coloured decks of 22 cards. Of these, 11 show 1 star for a game at A2 level, and 11 2 stars to play at B1 level. 1 numbered die, 1 6-coloured die. Each colour represents a category: riddle, geography, odd one out, idiom, history and traditions, grammar. Lay out all the game components: the playing board, the cards in 6 decks by colour, the 2 dice. Elect a game master who will read the questions from the cards. The players place their game tokens on the start case on the board. The first player or team throws the coloured die first. The game master or teacher picks up a card of the corresponding colour and reads the question to the player or team. Please note that for mixed ability classes, the teacher can decide at this moment to make use of a 1-star card or a 2 stars card. The correct answers are highlighted on the cards to help the game master. The player provides an answer. If that is correct, he or she can throw the numbered die and move the game marker along the path accordingly. During the game, the marker can reach places and famous cities: Boston, neutral stops, or red stops with instructions to follow. If, on the other hand, the player cannot answer the original question or the answer is wrong, no numbered die is thrown and the marker is not moved. Play continues in a clockwise direction from player to player. The winner is the first player or team to complete the round trip of the USA, reaching New York City, end of the itinerary. The teacher's booklet with the game rules is included in the box and also downloadable from the website. The booklet also contains a full page of extra ideas and alternative ways to use the game content, as well as basic information on all the places and cities shown on the board with useful website links for classwork. So pack your bags and off to a round trip of the USA. ELI Language Games. The more you play, the more you learn.